Okay, so this comes in a crystal clear RCA case that on the little paper insert here it says Bill singing and then one side complete. And there was something else. Looks like it said G on 1 or 2 and then it's scratched out. Well, it's not really scratched out. It's marked over with a marker, which is weird. Anyway, it's an RCA insert in a crystal clear case, but then it's a TDK tape that's in it. It's a TDK IECI type 1 normal position precision rigid construction cassette mechanism. It's a D60 and there's some stuff written on it with what looks to be like a marker, because this is like a clear smoky tape, but it looks like they took a Sharpie or something and wrote something on it. Second one I can see has 1/2, but the rest of it I can't really make out. But anyway, enjoy. Bill singing.
A love that I can't win, but the day that I stop counting, that's the day my world will end.
Mercy, mercy.
You know this one? Let's see.
Does
my ring hurt your finger when you go out at night? Do you know that one? Or not?
Not all
When
of
I
it.
bought it for you.
You know satin sheets? Satin sheets.
I know some of that, but not all of that.
Satin pillows to cry.
That stays the same.
I'm not happy,
I wanna ask
can't you
who.
see? When I believe that you belong to
Gotta get that decoy
me.
there out of the back
And
there.
now my heart is shackled to a memory. And in anger, unkind words are said that make the teardrops start. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold heart? There was a time, there was a love before my time, made your heart sad and blue. And now my heart is paying for the things I didn't do. Why do you run and hide from life to try and just act smart? Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Asked you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else stood by your side, and he looked so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still
So cute.
in love with you. A picture from the past came slowly stealing as I brushed your arms and walked so close to you. Then suddenly I got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you.
That's a good one.
Boy, if that ain't a group.
You see that? Jason Hazel.
It is a
Did you
group.
do?
I'm telling you.
I guarantee you.
What is it?
These pictures here.
I took some pictures, y'all.
You know who
I can't
Hazel-
go by any.
You know Hazel Lou? She absolutely looked like your mother sitting the way she's sitting there.
Yeah, she sure did.
She
Look
sure
like
does
who?
look
My
like
mother.
her.
A lot like her.
Yeah, the way she's, where her face is there. Yeah.
I didn't pay no attention to that.
They did.
Yeah.
They could flash all in hay. I can make it happen. I cannot go, I can't even, I can't put nothing together about it.
I
with
tell
this
you, you
dog.
got it over me. I can't keep her out of my eyes, and y'all could, you keep her up
Well, I
there.
keep mine curled up so it won't get mine.
You can't keep the hair out of your eyes, and they can't get it in. Yeah, they can't get their hair in their eyes.
There you go.
They can't keep hair.
What, Ma?
It's been so long since I sang, I can't remember all the songs. I can't
I thought of one a while ago, and y'all was singing now. I forgot what it was. It was an old one. Making Believe.
You know that.
Remember that?
Making believe that you still love me is leaving me alone and so
There you go, Bill.
blue. But I'll always dream, yet I'll never own you. Making believe, what else can I do? Can't hold you close when you're not with me. You're somebody's love. You'll never be mine.
wind up y'all quit.
We do cut them short, don't
Yo, you do.
we? Remember bouquet of roses?
I'm sending you a big bouquet of roses.
I like that.
Do you know,
One for every
If I-
time you broke my heart.
Eddie Arnold.
If I
Yeah.
send a rose to you,
For every time you made me blue, I
That
have
was
a room full of roses.
That's
And if you send
so,
a
that's that guy from Pasadena, he's Mickey Gilly.
Mickey Gilly. Yeah.
That's Mickey Gilly's phone.
Yeah.
yeah, it's Mickey Gillis.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, yes, who it is.
What is that?
Look at that.
Do you know?
There's music. Don't you, Lord? What is
I
it, baby?
can
What would you sing for
see
us,
us
baby?
sitting round the table when from the family Bible Dad would read. I can hear my mother softly singing, Rock of Ages, cleft for me.
The Family Bible.
Family Bible.
Yeah, but
You don't know that one?
I know it, but I
I don't
Bits
know
and
all of it.
pieces
I
of
just
it.
know bits and pieces of it. I don't know the whole thing. But I think that's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
You know when will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by.
yeah.
Dirty some birds, Mama sang tenor, me and little brother gonna join right in there.
Go
In
right
the
in.
sky, Lord, in the sky.
I got the words to that.
Have you?
I think so.
Oh, that's what we need.
Swirling, but there's a silver lining behind every cloud. Just poor people, that's all we were, trying to make a living out of black man's dirt. We get together in a family circle, singing loud. Daddy sing bass, Mama sing tenor.
Come on, man.
Sounds like a little bit of bass in
Come on.
Hey, let her sing bass and you sing tenor
Yeah.
right there.
That's right. And you sang tenor.
I don't know if I can do it.
Go ahead and try it. Oh, you got me tickled. I did. All right, wait. We gotta practice this.
I'm telling you, help me ever. Okay, you ready? This is kind of a hard song to do. Why not pick it out?
I don't know where to go.
Daddy sing tenor.
Said Mama sing bass, Daddy sing tenor.
We will never make it.
No.
Then my brother joined her.
Right in there.
You get the tickle all singing in another key.
Singing seems to help the trouble, so one of these days, and it won't be long, I'll rejoin them in a song. I'm gonna join the family circle at the throne.
No, the circle won't be broken by and by, Lord, by and by. Daddy sing bass.
Okay,
Come on, Pam.
That's what you told her to do.
Can't do it.
Y'all might as well get that.
Can't do it. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way we can get through this. I told
Y'all might as well get that.
Forget that one.
I ain't gonna
Well,
try.
that part, you didn't get in there, Fred. You started laughing.
You gonna make me spit my teeth out?
They don't know that one. I know they don't.
I got tickled on that.
Engineer that's brave, We must make the run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch
Get
the
too fast.
curves, the field tunnels, never fall, never
Get out the woodshed by yourself, just
keep your hand upon the throttle and your eyes upon the rail. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore. Look at yourself and you can look at others differently by putting your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Turn your radio on. That's kind of fast.
Yeah, buddy.
Riverside, when all sorrow has drifted away, I'll be standing at the portals when the gates open wide, at the close of life's long dreary day. I'll meet you in the morning with a how do you do, and we'll sit down by the river and with rapture all acquaintance renew. You'll know me in the morning by the smile that I wear when I meet you in the morning in the city that is built four square. I never have heard that.
Oh, yes, I have. That's so pretty. It's kind of high, though.
Mama sang that.
the mama sang bass. Daddy sang too. Where's your head? Standing up over here?
Is-
Sticking in that top, right there.
Here?
Yeah.
So, did your dad ever find his?
It's blue. No. Hey, so have you got that?
As the door of love between us closes, tears will fall like petals in your heart. I beg you to be different. Huh? I don't know that. I beg to be different, but you'll always be untrue. I'm tired of forgiving, now there's nothing left to do. So I'm sending you a big bouquet of roses, one for every time you broke my heart. You may not.
Burning memories.
I'm burning all love letters, photographs and memories of you, hoping somehow I'll feel better, and when the smoke is gone I won't want you. Burning memories, burning memories.
This Jim Reeves song here sound like burning
He
memories.
was my favorite. I like Jim Reeves.
But your name.
How does that go?
It's such a pretty world today. Look at the sunshine, look at the sunshine. And every day
This
since
one
my
back, they
name,
hear all that on
since I
there.
met you, it's such
Yeah,
a
there's some on there that
pretty
don't know you yet.
world today. Knowing that you're mine and happiness
Wait a
is
minute.
being
Well, quit for
Tell
a
me
while.
about it.
That's a pretty one, though. Oh, that's pretty.
I'm, oops, wait. I'm tempted, my darling, to steal you away. Don't let me cross over, stay out of my way. You know that I love you, and I'm not the stealing kind. But I'm faced with a heartache and love's cheating mind. Don't let me cross over, love's cheating mind. You belong to another and
Have
can
I been poked off?
never be mine. I know one
I'm going poked
step
off.
closer.
You doing what?
Going to post
would
office.
be
Wanna go with me?
Yeah.
I'll give you a break here.
Don't let me cross over, love's cheating mind.
That's a pretty one. There's
But I brought Mama flowers like I have all the time. Every day I'd pick roses from this pretty hill, a small bunch of daisies and a few daffodils. I'd bring them to Mama at the end of the day and say, flowers for Mama, here's Mama's bouquet.
remember
That's
those?
true, yeah.
Let's see. Do you know how it goes, Stu?
They'd brighten her face and she'd hold me real close. She'd say they were more precious than a beautiful rose. And she wore a smile sweeter than millions of flowers. A smile that I'll carry through life's darkest hours. Now, Mama, they're lying. They tell me, wait. Now, Mama, they're lying. They tell me she passed away, surrounded by flowers that outshine my bouquet. I know mine aren't fancy, but still all the while they were placed in her hand, and I know so Mama smile. Flowers for Mama, I picked them today. Not very, not very much, just a simple bouquet. Mom wasn't fancy, but up there above, she's the prettiest flower in God's garden of love.
Isn't that pretty? I
Isn't that
love the
pretty?
words. Love the words for that. Oh, that's pretty.
Always like
See
that.
if you can do it with me. You want me to just start it out? See if you can harmonize with me?
Yes,
Okay, if you can't, we'll just go somewhere else.
Oh, Danny,
Wait.
boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the leaves are falling. It's you, must go, and I Oh, Danny boy, oh, Danny boy, I love you so. That's a hard one. Dear Uncle Sam, I know you're a busy man, and tonight I write to you through tears with a trembling hand. My darling answered when he got that call from you. You said you really need him, but you don't need him like I do. Don't misunderstand, I know he's fighting for our land. I really love my country, but I also love my man. He proudly wears the colors of the old red, white, and blue, while I wear a heartache since he left me for you. Dear Uncle Sam, I just got your telegram, and I can't believe that this is me shaking like I am. For it said, I'm sorry to inform you.
That's pretty.
In the jailhouse now, well, Joe got locked up Sunday.
What part of that?
Like I am.
We'll find his bail him out. Yeah, it was probably me.
Well, I got a friend named Ramblin' Bob. He used to steal camel and rock. He thought he was the smartest man around. But I found out last Monday that he got locked up Sunday. They got him in the jailhouse way downtown. He's in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. I told him once or twice to quit playing cards and shooting dice. He's in the jailhouse now. Well, I went out last Tuesday, met a little boy named Susie. I told her I was the sweetest girl around. Well, she started in to spend my money. She started in and called me honey. We took in every honky-tonk in town. We're in the jailhouse now, we're in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. I told him once or twice, quit playing cards and shooting dice. He's in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. And words that they'll understand. Tell me, darling, could you go away and leave me? How could you love that kind of man? How do you talk to a baby in words that they'll understand? Tell me, darling, could you go away and leave me? And how could you love that kind of man? Did you ever hear that one? Since my baby said goodbye, oh Lord, I didn't know what to do. All I do is sit and cry. Oh Lord, last long day she said goodbye. Oh Lord, I thought I would cry. She'll do me, she'll do you. She's got the kind of loving. Lord, I love to hear her when she calls me sweet daddy. Such a beautiful dream. I hate to think it's all over. I lost my heart and it seems I've grown so used to you somehow, and I'm nobody's sugar daddy now. Well, I'm lonesome. I've got the lovesick blues. Well, I'm in love with a beautiful girl. That's what's the matter with me. Well, I'm in love, but she doesn't care about me. Lord, I've tried and I've tried to keep her satisfied, but she just wouldn't stay. So now that she is leaving, this is all I can say. I got a feeling called the blues, oh Lord, since my baby said goodbye. Oh Lord, I don't know what I do. All I do is sit and sigh. Oh Lord, last long day she said goodbye. Well, Lord, I thought I would cry. She'll do you, she'll do me, she'll do the kind of loving. Lord, I like to hear her when she calls me sweet daddy. Such a beautiful dream. I hate to think it all over. I lost my heart, it seems. I've grown so used to you somehow, and I'm nobody's sugar daddy now. With you, slowly you're winning a heart that can be true. Now I can't hide my feelings, no matter.
That is too low, yeah.
I told y'all to too long, y'all wouldn't listen.
Slowly I'm falling more in love with you. Slowly you are winning a heart that can be true. Now I can't hide my feelings, no matter what I do. For slowly I'm falling more in love with you. More and more I want you and need you by my side. More and more I love you as each day passes by. My heart, I know you're sealing. I hope that you'll be true. For slowly I'm falling more in love with you. Slowly I'm falling more in love with you. Slowly you're winning a heart that can be true. Now I can't hide my feelings, no matter what I do. For slowly I'm falling more in love with you.
That jumps back and forth, D-to-G, every time.
Esther, who's your daughter married to?
Oh, Esther,
Tony
this one's
Singleton,
pretty.
But he wasn't,
Yeah,
he's from Tig.
yeah.
Esther. This
I
one's
knew
Prince and Golden Eagle.
one of your
That's
girls
old.
married somebody that lived there. She said she went to school in Fairfield. That was the reason I thought they were in I don't want your lonely mansion with a tear in every room. All I want is love you promised beneath the halo moon. But you think I should be happy with your money and your name, and hide myself in sorrow while you play your cheating game. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine.
and I dare not drown my sorrow in the warm glow of your wine. That's it. But you think I should be happy with your money and your name, and hide myself in sorrow while you play your cheating game. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine, and I dare not drown my sorrow in the warm glow of your wine. You can't buy my love with money, for I never was that kind. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine.
Hey,
That's
It's
good.
over.
oh, you
Harmonizing, and it was too high pitched for plain.
That's a hard song to do.
Yeah, you playing the A, D and E there on that one.
He was playing that
Let's
one.
do that one.
Tennessee
Tennessee
Waltz.
Waltz. Let's do that one.
How you going, what you going in? That gets pretty high, don't it? In spots?
I was waltzing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced him to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee waltz.
That's where it's supposed to be. Right back to G.
Some of them songs,
G
they
to
just,
B.
some of them songs, they just change too fast.
I remember the night and gotta jump right back to G.
Too old to cut the mess.
Yeah, we are. We've been trying to here though, haven't we?
Oh, this is cute. Now if I had a nickel, I know just what I'd do. I'd spend it all for candy and give it all to you. 'Cause that's how much I love you, baby. That's
Yeah.
how much I love you.
That's cute though.
That's old,
Eddie Arnold.
yeah. Ain't nobody know how to sing that but him, though. Anybody else try to sing it, don't
Pretty
sound
hard
right.
song.
Do you know that reminded me of the song? There's, wait. There's a picture that I carry, one we made some time ago.
I remember
If they
hearing it.
ask who's in the picture with me, I say just the one I used to know.
That's pretty song.
Just someone I used to hang around with. Just a flame that's lost its glow. I don't talk about the nights I've cried without him. I say just someone I used to know. Am I going too fast?
No.
Will your big blue eyes be misty? Will you brush away a tear? A grave is filled with
She's wasting tape.
Yeah, she's just catching everything she can catch on there.
Darling, when I'm here.
Get back fine, ain't no good, she may won't take over it.
Where'd you stay last night? I don't know that one.
When I lost my baby, almost lost my mind. When I lost my baby, I almost lost my mind. I don't know it.
If I see you tomorrow on some
Street in town, pardon me if I don't say hello. I belong to another, it wouldn't look so good to know someone I'm not supposed to know. Just walk on by, wait on the corner. I love you, but we're strangers when we meet. Just walk on by, wait on the corner. I love you, but we're strangers when we meet.
Oh, he was down here, he just tagged.
Yeah, he got a booth set up down there selling music instruments. And I could have bought that thing for $150. And my wife said, why don't you buy it? I said, well, I've got two guitars.
I've never seen the inside of a bar room or listened to a jukebox all night long. But I see these are the things that bring you pleasure. So I'm gonna make some changes in my home. That's too high. Because our good girls are gonna go bad. I'm gonna be the singing swinger. Oh,
You stay down there.
swinging singer you've never
Singing
had.
swinger. I
Anyhow,
could go both
Hey.
ways.
hey, settle down. Get somewhere. If you're gonna stay in here.
I wonder if you let my cocaine dog. I don't know, but it's all right.
Oh, your coat is right there. About to turn over, he ain't licked it yet.
I ain't turned it over. I'm holding it, honey.
She pat your foot, that's too long.
You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much
Lord,
I
that's an
love
old one.
You remember that one?
Wait a Sam.
The other night, dear, while I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I'll always love you and make you happy if you will only say the same. But if you leave me to love another, you'll regret it all someday. You told me once, dear, that you really loved me, and no one else could come between. But now you're left me and love another. You have shattered all my dreams. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my
sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away.
That was pretty. What'd she do, get him?
Tara was singing. Tara said, yeah.
That's a memory sheet. Oh, let's see what he's got on there in memory.
Me and Lisa used to sing
Really?
that too. And these will be the best years.
You're married to her. You're married to
Yeah,
And I'm not married. I'm just running around with the.
she's just
You
here.
need to marry someone.
You need to marry. Tell you,
Blue waters like no
I told you that. He said he wasn't gonna get married.
You need to
by
marry
the banks of the old river Rhine,
You need to marry.
where I loved her and left her, but I can't forget her. She is my pretty Fräulein, Fräulein, Fräulein. Look down by the river each night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein. When a memory wanders away over yonder to the sweetheart that I left behind, then a moment of glory, your face comes before me, the face of my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, look down by the river each night when the stars start to shine. When the memories wander away over yonder, the face of my pretty Fräulein. We're not bar people. We're not Fräuleins.
Hopefully towards the hill and lose yourself.
Yeah. I knew I kept pointing it out, but Bill, I thought,
If you were blind to lose a
Jay?
More talking.
Jay,
More talking.
didn't I tell you lay down? Do you see her? Yes, she's in there.
T-bone.
In the door now. Watching for Doug, probably.
There he is too.
Jay, didn't I tell you to behave? You know what, you gotta be kidding.
You're like a kid, go
Yeah.
fast, you say something to him, run over and lay down, then he get up and do it again.
Yeah, he's hard headed.
Oh, he's hard headed. I'm just wondering how they're gonna train.
I'm so weird.
Him?
Are you?
They ain't gonna have a problem.
Are you not a pregnant?
You can, come on.
I can train with my wife even home.
Fingers get sore.
well,
You don't want you to kill
today I'm so weary. Today I'm so blue, sad and broken hearted, and it's all because of you. Life was so sweet, dear. Life was a song. Now you've gone and left me. Oh, where do I belong? And it's all for the love of a dear little girl. All for the love that set your heart in a whirl. I'm a woman who gives her love
T-bone coffee.
That's it, Susie. That's it. Okay. I guess when quitting rescue.
Okay, that's all she
Yeah,
said.
let's go home. Let's go home, Mimi.
Glad you're running.
Let's go. They're gonna be so surprised when they
You go home.